Let's have a go at these and see how we get on. So we got the first one. It says make x the subject of y equals 2x plus 3 divided by 4. So could somebody tell me what is the first step? What do I need to get rid of first? Could somebody tell me? Exactly. Fantastic, Nathaniel. Fantastic, Trish. Fantastic, Truly. We need to get rid of that fraction, right? So we need to get rid of this 4. The 4 is currently dividing, so I'm going to times both sides by 4. So times in both sides by 4 is going to be 4y is equal to 2x plus 3. And then now, to make x the subject, what do I need to do? Well, I'm going to move this plus 3 now, aren't I? We always get rid of the thing being added or subtracted, so I'm going to take that away. So it's going to be 4y minus 3 is equal to 2x. And then to get x now, we need to get rid of that 2. To get rid of that 2, just divide it. So divided everything by 2. Both sides going to be 4y minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to x. So therefore, x is equal to 4y minus 3 over 2. So that is the answer. Anybody get that correct? Yeah, fantastic. Truly well done. Brilliant. Fantastic, Simrit. Fantastic, guys. Brilliant. Now, next one. It says make a the subject of v squared is equal to u squared plus v squared equals u squared plus 2as. So I've got v squared is equal to u squared plus 2as. What do we get rid of first, guys? Do you guys think? This one's a bit tricky because there's lots of letters here. What do we get rid of first, you guys think? This one here, we've got a plus in the middle. So you can kind of think of these as just two separate terms. We've got this u squared here, and we've got this whole term here, which is 2as, right? Now, because the thing that we're trying to get to be the subject is in this one here, a, there's nothing here that has a in it. So just get rid of this one, right? I'm going to move this over. It's being added, so we're going to take it away. So it's going to be v squared, take away u squared is equal to 2as. Is everybody happy with that? Yeah. And then now we're trying to make A the subject. So this is A right here. What I do have is I've got these two. I've got a 2 and I've got an S here, like that. So I've got 2 and I've got an S like that. What do I want to do? I need to get rid of these. So what you can do is, do you guys agree? 2as is the same as 2 times by A times by S. Do you guys agree with that? Yeah. And I say that to say when you multiply numbers together, it doesn't actually matter what order you multiply the numbers. So for example, let's just say I had where's my cursor gone? It's over there. It's over there. So let's say I had E dot G. Let's say I had, I don't know. Let's say I had, I don't know, 4 times 2 times by 3, right? What is that equal to? 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So this is 24. But this is the exact same as saying, well, if I maybe swap the first and last, it'll be 3 times 2 times by 4. That is also 24. And then maybe I swap these two around. Maybe it's 3 times 4 times by 2. These are all 24. Do you guys agree? Yeah. So the reason I say that is because, right, if I've got 2 times S, 2 times A times S, I could actually write this as 2 times S times by A, can't I? And then I could say that this right here is 2S. So it's actually 2S times by A. So I can actually rewrite this as V squared minus U squared is equal to 2S times by A. Does that make sense? Yeah. Now remember, what are we trying to do? We're trying to make A the subject. So what needs to go, guys? What do I need to do from here to make A the subject? What do I need to do now? Exactly. Or not take away 2S because that 2S isn't being added. What is the 2S doing to the A, guys? It's multiplying it, isn't it? Right? So we've got to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we've got to divide by it. So dividing both sides by 2s, it's going to be v squared minus u squared over 2s is equal to a. like that. So that is the answer. Yeah, all good. Anybody get both of these correct?